Okay, anyway, let me start with the boring stuff first, which almost everybody has heard every year. The story of the Design India show and India's Best Design Awards. So, history goes like this. For people who've not been to the website and who don't remember, that in the year 2002, Yahoo had introduced a feature called Yahoo Groups. Yeah, I know you remember. All old people remember. And it was magic because you could do something which was not possible earlier. This is around the time email was just coming in. हरेश भाई बाद में सीट नहीं मिलेगी. That you could actually put a list of people on that software which is online and send a message, and that message would get delivered to all those people automatically, right? And if somebody writes back to you, it gets delivered to everybody again. Sounds like magic, right? Yeah, we take it for granted now, but that was the time. And that's the time I started experimenting with, first, within very few people I knew in my office, Ashwin and Ashish are here. So we started sitting next to each other, just using Yahoo Groups. And then we added MP Ranjan to that and a few more people. And it was a fun thing to do. And I quickly realized that it's a very powerful tool. We could connect different geographies there, right? So we started including people from different geographies, different institutes, designers we knew, some business people, some editors, and it very quickly became a very vibrant online community of designers. And I was very keen that we'll keep it professional people only, no students, because students aate hain to usme apna pura conceptual journey starts altogether. And a lot of discussions started happening, and we started molding that discussion around the business of design, something we were not very comfortable talking. I'm talking about 2002, 2003. This is, you can imagine, 22 years back, right? Yahoo Group shut down, I think, last year. The membership that time was about 3,000 people. Everybody I knew, because I was the gatekeeper. MP Ranjan used to call me a gatekeeper because I used to allow everyone to enter or not enter that group. And a lot of people used to fight with me. We are designers, even though we haven't studied design, so why don't you let us in? Those things used to happen. That group, I called that group Design India. In around, I think, exactly 20 years back, I renamed that group to be Design India. And a lot of good discussions happened. I think, all in all, there was something like 42,000 or 44,000 mails exchanged. Very, very substantive discussions in terms of what is happening in terms of design, where we are going. We also got invited to Asia Society in New York, when people realized that that was the first professional community, online community of designers in the world. And that happened here in India. So the history of Design India. Then in the year 2010, I started a magazine called Pool Magazine, which I renamed much later to Design India. I thought I need to realign whatever one single thread I've been working on. And around 2014, 2015 is when, as a joke on Facebook, we released that let's have awards. Who's the best designer in India? Who's the best design studios in India? And there's no criteria actually figured out how to judge, how to give awards, and we just figured out a 3D trophy, digital, and we sent it to people saying, you are the best design studio because everybody nominated you to be the best design studio. And very soon I realized those people took it very seriously. I started getting phone calls saying, when are we getting the actual trophy? And I was like, that was a joke. But people took it very seriously. So I got very serious. From the next year, I said, okay. So this is the 10th year of the award, but 9th in the formal way. 9th, because then the next year we had a formal event like this one. Not the whole event like this. We realized that we will have a trophy event in the evening. And I realized that people who were coming to take the award were the best designers in the country. So I thought, okay, let's put them on stage, let's talk to each other, let's listen. And just one day, because professionals don't have more time than that. I don't have patience to sit for 3 days conference, 4 days conference. 1 day is good enough. Come in the morning, go back in the evening. Maybe you learn something, network. If you don't learn something, talk to people, meet people. So it became a one-day event. It's got its character over the years. On the way, the trophy was designed by Abhijit Bansod, a very beautiful looking trophy. You can see that there. So the community we have today is all, most of us here in this hall are winning designers, professional designers. They all belong to different domains of design, and they're award-winning designers. Award-winning by, I'll introduce the jury later, but I thought before that, I think sometime about 5-6 years back, we started considering putting a theme to the whole conference. So everyone still presents what they want to present. You know that, right? When people become little senior, they don't listen to you. क्या present करना है? उनको जो present करना है, वो present करना है. In the last, they might add 2 lines to sort of connect back to the theme, which is okay. We are like that. So this year we thought we are very scared, very excited, extremely hesitant. We don't know what's going to happen when we talk about AI. AI is coming in. So one, as a challenge in my office, we thought we will take AI, and all the visuals which you're going to see today are created using AI, which were not possible 6 months back. Those tools did not exist. The work which you will see today, during, in between the presentations, obviously the stars are the people who are speaking. In between, we've done some fun things for ourselves, are done by very young designers, which was impossible to do this 6 months back, 1 year back. You would need designers with 15 years experience to do this kind of characters and animate them. So that's the power of AI which is coming in. I don't know what's going to happen in next 1 year, because I didn't know this will happen in last few months. And then we started thinking, we don't know what's happening in different domains of design. How are people reacting to that? Are people adopting? Are they scared? Many of us are like ostrich. Shuturmurg hota hai na, we put our head in the sand and say, AI se kuch nahi hone wala. Idea is the king. There are a lot of them also. And there are a lot of people very excited saying, oh my God, I can do this, I can do that. Frankly, I don't think the judgment is out yet. It's work in progress. It's very exciting when you see it, and you will also see the glitches. You will also see, I mean, the moment you see it, you'll say, ye galat hai, right? You will point it. I mean, it's not because I have done it wrong. AI ne galat kiya hai, maine nahi kiya. We did it right. So, I must ask your forgiveness. The idea is not to offend anyone or anyone's sensibilities. We just thought, while we organize this event, let's have fun as well. So that's how it is. The theme human, I thought design is always human. If it's not human, it's not design. It is to do with humans, right? But now there's AI within that human, so humane. And let's ask people how they are reacting to it, what's happening. So we have a lot of people, right from banking industry to automobile industries, EVs, movies, songs, branding. I mean, सब जगह AI घुस गया है, निकलने वाला नहीं है. This is something we have to live with, adopt it. So let me introduce the jury for India's Best Design Awards this year. That's the jury. As you can see, I won't take time to introduce each of them here because they're on the website with all their glory and definitions and pronunciations and everything. But we've had a fantastic jury from across the spectrum. They are academicians, they are industry people, they are Indian, they are also from outside. And I always ask people to judge on one criteria. The criteria is whether this project or this studio is worth calling India's best design project or best design studio. If it is, give it an award. If it is not, don't give it an award. As simple as that. And then, of course, I define that your experience, I mean, we know that, all of us know that when we see a good design, I don't care उसमें innovation है, sustainability है, नहीं है, maybe that is what matters, maybe that doesn't matter. To somebody, it's something else, but you know this work needs to be awarded. So that's how we started. I've already put a video from Kiska online. You should see, maybe we'll play it in the daytime sometime, of how he sees the design activity or the quality of design improving within India. And I'm so happy to see that in the last 10 years that we are doing this event, we actually see a perceptible change in the quality of work. So the idea is not just to award the work, idea is also to document that work so that we can go, next 15 years and see kya kiya tha. So you have those books outside later. We also had last year, India's Best Design Student Awards. So we introduced this last year, this is the second year, and fantastic response. I'm sure you know we have more than 3,500 institutes across the country. Some are very well branded, some are very well regarded, respected, some are not known. But designers, students are brilliant everywhere. You find in pockets teachers which are fantastic, working with students who are like too good. So we thought let's open it up to all, and we judge them. So later on I'll tell you what is the criteria of judging and all when we come to the awards before lunch. But we had a very good response, and we have those winning students with us today. I think 17 of them who will get this award. Thank you for coming all the way. Then we have the speaker lineup. Yes, I don't think you can recognize them. Maybe if you look around, you'll find them also wearing something like this. Speakers are in different categories. We have a few winners who are speakers. Like every year we select 3-4 winners to come and talk. So that brings in a good variety to us. We also have a few jury speaking, and then we have a few wildcards, which I'll introduce. We have a host team which will introduce the wildcards to you today. And I've been talking to them last 1.5 months, preparing these presentations, talking to them, what will they, very, very curated, and I find it very exciting. So I hope you enjoy them too. It's really good listening to them. And then we have this hosting team, which I want to introduce. So this is my team at Indie Design. As you know, Indie Design is a professional design studio. And the team is not just people from my team, it's also my interns, our past interns, and our past employees who come back on this day as volunteers. So it's almost like an annual day for us. We all get together, we meet after a long time, and all the work here which you're seeing today is not done by any event company, it's all done by us. And very happy to announce that including hosts are all very close friends, mentors, teachers who are helping us conduct this event, because I do believe that this is that spirit of community which comes across. I wanted to show you the books I talked about. These are hardbound books. They are available outside today about past results, past winners. I believe they are important for any library, and if you're serious about seeing the progression of design, you must look at these books. So what we decided on, we don't just feature the winning work, we also have few people writing thoughts about that particular theme. This will happen about this year's book as well. The book is not done. It's only, I only have a dummy with me. The book gets done in next 2 months because we'll start collating from this event the speakers, the writers, whom we will ask questions, and we'll start collating it, though the winner work is there. But you can pre-book it. You can buy a copy at a cheaper price today. And I also have another book which I am launching to those who've been reading the Pool magazine or the Design India magazine, which I published for 12 years, every month, 144 issues. So we've curated about 100 editorials, which are different subjects, right from how to get a client, how to fire a client, why you should dress in a certain way, when you travel, what you should look at, what should be the attitude of a designer. It's like what a design life is. And I thought I'll put it together. And I'm very happy that Rajiv Bajaj of Bajaj Auto, who has always been supporting this event as well, decided and agreed to write the end note, which is there. I'll put it out soon. And R. Balki, who spoke at our event last year, and we've been working together for quite some time, has decided to write the foreword. But this is a book very close to my heart. I think should be a textbook for all the students to get them the right attitude. We keep talking about the attitude, but what is that attitude is here. So this book again is available for pre-booking today. बहुत सस्ती है, जरूर खरीद लेना, ठीक है? I wanted to talk about the audience we have. So in every event is the host and the speakers who are very important. So we have very important hosts and speakers, definitely. But more than that, I want to tell you that we have very, very important audience. It's not the normal audience. And I get overwhelmed with this thought that we have people like Anil Saini with us, we have Praveen Nahar, we have, so many people around that it's really overwhelming to have this kind of audience in a professional event and on design. And we're not trying to teach each other, we're trying to learn from each other. So thank you. I would say whatever you listen, spend time in the hall, but also spend time outside the hall, meet people, exchange your cards or digital cards, whatever you have, right? I have to do this. Can't conduct an event like this without our sponsors, lovely sponsors. I mean, again, grateful that I've had this support for years. And most of them, I mean, a lot of people ask me that if we want to sponsor, हमें क्या मिलेगा? And believe me, none of these guys ask me that question. They don't even know उनका logo कहाँ आने वाला है, कहाँ नहीं आने वाला है. They just come and support. So I love that. That's the spirit I had in the magazine also. Magazine ran advertising free just on subscriptions and on sponsors. Bajaj has been a very special client for me since 1992. And I've been working with them for years. Bikaram Chandmal, you must taste their goodies. They are there in the bag. I think one of the finest snacks, Indian snacks, which you can get in India. We also have Ashish Agarwal from Bikaram Chandmal. Today in the day, he will tell us why Indian food is the best food. He's very passionate about food. I mean, it's so infectious to listen to him. Chitkara, of course. Chitkara was, I mean, I started with Gopal last year when I started discussing the student award, and they become our exclusive student award sponsors. And thank you guys. Really lovely. Campus is so beautiful in Chitkara. You must go and see this in Chandigarh. Big Mint. Again, nothing to do with this industry. Rishabh, are you here? Okay. So just again, lovely sponsors. Pragati, pack and print Pragati, everybody knows Pragati, right? We can't produce any of these beautiful looking books without Pragati. D.Y. Patil International University, I think that's the beginning of a new relationship this year, new sponsor for us. But I've known Satej for some time, and I just sent him a mail, and he said, yes, we'll sponsor. And I was like, oh my God, somebody on a single mail is ready to sponsor. Fantastic. Nobody called asking, hame kya milega? You know, it was so nice. It's so good to have Madhvi with us today, and we'll have her on stage later on. IDET, Ashish, Sanjeev, yeah, thank you. They've always been with us. I mean, we know each other from our last birth, I think, for a long time. Evo is a auto magazine. Those guys will be around. Curious, I don't need to tell you, we are all inspired by Curious. I mean, we pick up things from Curious. Hum kya kar sakte hain? How do we improve this? So Rajesh has always been a very, very inspiring force. I think he'll be here, or sometime he'll be here today. Mapro, of course. Mapro, because they give us lovely chocolates. You must try their chocolates. That's there in your bag. I think world's best chocolates are there, right? Ho gaya sponsorship ka plug. So now I want to introduce to you our anchors. I'll call on stage Mariana and Anshika. Aa jao, so that everybody can see you. And you can clap, guys. Mariana is our first host, and she's also co-founder of Indie Design and has a very rich background in marketing and design. And Mariana has been shaping the strategies for many top brands, including India's Best Design Awards and the Design India show. That's her exclusive domain. I just come in to speak here. Her passion for design and research and publications make her a key part of today's event. So welcome, Mariana. Anshika, very interesting. Anshika was our intern and then our employee. Then she went to NID. She is doing her master's. Now she's working with Mercedes-Benz. And she's back to host the awards today with us. And she's a knack for blending aesthetics and functionality in automotive design, and very strong background from NID. Now she's very passionate about storytelling through design. Very excited to have both of you with us. And we have the next two hosts. Yeah, stick around. Tarun and Minty. Tarundeep Girdhar and Minty on stage. So I'm not going to be here on the whole day on stage. So you will have Tarun and Minty taking the whole day, carrying you through the whole day today. Tarundeep Girdhar is a design teacher, design faculty, more than 2 decades of experience, and has been always very interested in shaping the young minds. I've always seen him surrounded with a lot of young talent everywhere. True typography, he says enthusiast, but I would say expert, not just enthusiast. He's driving what typography has to be in India today, and has been a juror on many, many awards. So let's give him a warm welcome. Minty, very close friend, is a design entrepreneur with a specialty in motion graphics of more than 5 years of experience in television industry. And she's also dedicated to spreading design awareness through creative workshops. She was also with us as a host last year. So thank you, Minty. What we'll do is that you guys can get off the stage now. Thank you so much. What we'll do now is I'm going to leave the mic to Minty and Tarun, and they'll take you through the proceedings further. I'll come back and join you at the awards time later. So welcome, Tarun and Minty. Take over.